Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple but very useful feature in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. This feature allows you to prevent links from automatically opening in external apps. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Privacy and Security. Then tap on it. Here, you will find an option labeled Don't Open Links in External Apps. Finally, toggle this option on to make sure all links open directly inside Vivaldi instead of launching other apps. Now, whenever you click a link, it will remain within the browser, keeping your experience consistent and uninterrupted. This setting is especially useful if you want to avoid switching between multiple apps and keep your browsing faster and smoother. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with friends.